Hi everyone, myself Vaishnav Chavan from FIBSc Computer Science studying in Gokte Jogaikar College. So today I talk about cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Well, if you search on Google what is cloud computing, there are many definitions will come up. First of all, Amazon says cloud computing refers to the on-demand delivery of IT resources via the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. Second one is Wikipedia. Wikipedia says phrase used to describe a variety of computer concepts that involves a computer connected through a real-time communication network, such as internet. One another definition is using someone else's server to host, to process, or to store data. This is called cloud computing. So let's move towards the presentation for explaining what is types of cloud computing, what is cloud services, and its benefits. So let's talk about its benefits. Cloud computing has a lots of benefits. Few of these are productivity, cost, global scale, and reliability. Let's start with the productivity. On-site data center typically requires a lot of hardware setup, software patching, and other time-consuming IT management tasks. Cloud computing removes the need of many of these tasks, so IT team can spend time for more achieving important business goals. Now let's go to the costing part. Cloud computing eliminates the capital expenses of buying hardware or software, setting up and running on-premises data center. The racks of the server round-the-clock electricity for power and cooling, and the IT expert for managing this infrastructure. And if I talk about global scaling, we can deliver the right amount of IT resources at the right time, whenever it is needed. For example, more or less computing power, storage bandwidth, and the right geographic location. And the last benefit is reliability. Cloud computing makes data backup, disaster recovery, and business quantity easier and less expensive. So let's go to the next point. So there are three types of cloud computing: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. So let's go with the public cloud. Public cloud are owned and operated by third-party cloud service provider, which delivers their computer resources like server, storage over the internet. For example, Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, Google Platform, and many more. With the public cloud, all hardware or software and other supporting infrastructure is owned and managed by cloud service provider. Only you will access these services and manage your account using a web browser. Then second type is private cloud. Private cloud is defined as computing services offered by over the internet or a private internal network and only to the selected users instead of general public access. It is also called internal or corporate cloud. Private cloud gives many of the benefits. For example, self-service, elasticity with an additional control, and customization available from dedicated resources. In addition, private cloud delivers a higher level of security and privacy through both companies' firewall. And sensitive data is not accessible to the third-party providers. Now let's go to the hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is computing environment which combines public and private cloud. Computing and processing demand fluctuate. Hybrid cloud computing gives business the ability to seamlessly scale their on-premises infrastructure up to the public cloud to handle any overflow without giving third-party access to the entirety of the data. So these are the types of cloud computing. Now let's talk about types of cloud services. First of all, SaaS, software as a service. Second one is PaaS, platform as a service, and third one is IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service. Here are three reasons why cloud computing is become so popular. First of all, scalability. It is easy to grow or shrink to match your domain. If you need 1, 2, or 10 servers with cloud hosting, you can easily grow or shrink the numbers base when you need. And second is cloud computing is instant. The computing power is there when you need it. You just turn it on. Whatever you need is instantly available on cloud. And your need goes down, you can simply turn them off. And last one is money. Using cloud hosting, you can save your time and money.